Watch how fast I can take a dealership vehicle and post it to Facebook Marketplace. We're gonna start the timer. We're gonna pick this launcher right here. Open up the extension. Create a draft from this vehicle. Importing it is probably the longest part, right? Now, probably the longest part. But once it's done, you're gonna open up Marketplace form, and then once you open the Marketplace form, then you're gonna hit fill visible fields, and then you can upload photos at the same time. It pull 20 photos, upload them. It generates everything over here that is according to what the listing says, and then now you got a full description and everything. Hit next, hit publish, and honestly, you're done. But we're gonna wait till it's done. Then we're gonna go back over here. Look at that. What that's it. I mean, we started at 48, but they were really 47 seconds. That was really 47 seconds. But okay, I mean it's fine. We still under a minute. So like I say, like there's 20 photos, there's vehicle information, and the description. Like if we go back over to it, like that's everything. If we go back over and review it real quick, that's everything. You got all the pictures. You got all the pictures. You got a description right here. All of that was done in 48 seconds. Less than a minute. Less than a minute. Like I said, I built this because I sell cars myself, and I just got tired of manually posting inventory, even whether it was just going outside taking pictures and all of that. Like, cool. Like somebody need a video, I make a video of the vehicle. I can add it to it easily. But going in, adding 20 different photos, it just takes up a lot of time as when you're a sales consultant, a sales professional. So you being able to spend time on other stuff that's gonna really drive revenue, help you sell more cars. This right here is one of them tools that's gonna help you. So you can try it out, and you can go over to autorephq.com, and it's only $9.99 a month.